In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use formulas in word tables. If you've ever needed to total up numbers or calculate an average right inside a Word document, you don't have to jump over to a spreadsheet. Word has a built-in formula feature that works directly in table cells, and it's perfect for quick sums, averages, and even products. Start by clicking in the table cell where you want the result to appear. This tells Word exactly where to place the calculation. When your cursor is inside a table, you'll see Table Tools appear on the ribbon, and under that, the Layout tab. Go ahead and open the Layout tab. That's where the tools for working with tables live. Now look for the data group and click the button labeled Formula. A formula dialog box will open. Word is pretty smart. If it detects numbers above your selected cell, it will often suggest something like ishashan esum, above, by default. Above refers to the cells in the same column above your current cell. If you're totaling numbers across a row, you can use ishsum, left, instead, which looks at the cells to the left. This same idea works for other functions too. For example, you can type average above to calculate the average of the numbers above, or use isals product above to multiply them together. Before you confirm, take a moment to format the result so it looks the way you want. In the number format box, you can choose how many decimal places to display. For instance, selecting 0.00 will show 2 decimals, which is helpful for currency or precise averages. When everything looks good, click OK. Word will insert the result into your selected cell. If you later change any of the numbers that the formula uses, you'll want to refresh the result. To do that, right-click the cell that contains the formula and choose Update field. This recalculates the value using your latest data. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Word ignores text and empty cells when calculating, so make sure the cells you want to include contain numbers. If you're not getting the result you expect, check whether there's a header or a blank row interrupting the numbers above or to the left. You can repeat this process in any cell where you need a calculation, and each formula works independently. That's all there is to it. With the formula feature, you can perform quick calculations directly in your Word tables without leaving your document or opening a spreadsheet.